Hi, this is Orlando from Skint Guitars in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is the 4th episode of our cheeky little micro Les Paul build, and in this episode we're going to do the paint job. I decided to lighten the imbuia grain by working some white acrylic into it. The goal is to make a vertical yellow to red fade. For this I use candy transparent varnish and finish it with nitro varnish. For the back I used transparent brown to darken the white marupa and then candy red.